Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure Windows and Bf2042 are fully updated, because game and OS patches fix signed driver checks. Next, update your motherboard UEFI firmware to the manufacturer's latest release. This often resolves secure boot compatibility. Once done, reboot into UEFI and record current boot mode and settings so you can revert if needed. You're taking these steps to avoid bricking settings and to ensure secure boot toggle won't block legitimate game files or drivers. You now change the UEFI options. Set boot mode to UEFI only and disable legacy/CSM because secure boot requires pure UEFI. Then select the standard secure boot policy and enroll the platform keys. Include Microsoft and OEM keys so signed drivers and the Bf2042 launcher are accepted. Make sure TPM is enabled and that boot order points to the Windows bootloader. These steps prevent unsigned modules from loading and specifically allow the game's anti-cheat and drivers to You finish by booting Windows and repairing system integrity with SFC and DISM so any corrupted signed files are fixed. This aids secure boot validation. Then launch Bf2042. If the game won't start, inspect Event Viewer and UEFI secure boot logs to identify rejected binaries. If secure boot still blocks the game, try removing custom keys or temporarily rolling back firmware updates. Then reapply the standard Microsoft/OEM keys. One key troubleshooting tip: if failures persist, capture the exact rejected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.